Hey everyone! Today's video is very important for parents and caregivers who want to give their child a strong start before kindergarten. Many people think math is only about numbers and worksheets, but for young children, math is about understanding the world around them. Before a child ever sits in a classroom, they can already learn basic math ideas through play, talking, and daily activities. In this video, I will share 5 math concepts your child must know before kindergarten. These concepts are simple, fun, and easy to teach at home. You do not need to be a teacher or a math expert. You just need time, patience, and love. The goal is not to make your child perfect at math. The goal is to help them feel confident, curious, and comfortable with numbers and patterns. When children understand these basics early, school feels less scary and learning becomes more enjoyable. So let's get started. The first math concept your child must know before kindergarten is number recognition. This means your child can see a number and know what it is called. For example, when they see the number 1, they know it is 1, and when they see the number 5, they know it is 5. This might sound very simple, but it is a very important step. Before a child can count or do math, they must recognize numbers. You can teach number recognition in many easy ways. You can point out numbers in daily life, like numbers on doors, cars, phones, or clocks. When you are outside, you can say, "Look, that house has the number 4." When you are at home, you can show them numbers on a calendar. You can also use toys, books, or flashcards with numbers on them. The key is to make it fun and natural. It is also okay if your child learns numbers slowly. Every child learns at their own speed. Some children recognize numbers very early, and some need more time. Do not rush or pressure them. Instead, repeat numbers often in a calm and happy way. Over time, your child will begin to remember them. Another helpful idea is to connect numbers with real objects. For example, show the number 3 and then place 3 apples or 3 toys next to it. This helps your child understand that numbers are not just symbols, they represent real things in the world. When children understand this, math starts to make sense to them. The second math concept your child must know before kindergarten is counting. Counting means saying numbers in the correct order and understanding that each number matches one object. This is called one-to-one counting. For example, when your child counts 3 blocks, they touch one block and say 1, then touch the next block and say 2, and then the last block and say 3. Many children can say numbers like a song, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but that does not always mean they understand counting. True counting means they know that the last number they say tells how many objects there are in total. This is very important for future math learning. You can practice counting in everyday life. Count toys when cleaning up. Count steps when walking. Count fruits while shopping. Count fingers, buttons, or even spoons on the table. The more your child counts real objects, the better they will understand counting. It is also helpful to count slowly and clearly. Give your child time to touch or look at each object. If they make a mistake, do not correct them in a harsh way. Instead, gently show them the correct way. Learning should always feel safe and fun. Counting also helps children learn patience and focus. When they count carefully, they learn to slow down and pay attention. These skills are very useful in kindergarten and beyond. The third math concept your child must know before kindergarten is understanding shapes. Shapes are everywhere, and children can learn about them very early. Common shapes include circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles. When children recognize shapes, they learn to notice differences and similarities in objects. You can teach shapes by showing them real objects. For example, a plate is a circle. A door is a rectangle, and a slice of pizza can look like a triangle. You can say the name of the shape and ask your child to repeat it. Over time, they will start to remember. You can also play games with shapes. Ask your child to find something that looks like a circle or a square in the room. You can draw shapes on paper and color them together. Building blocks and puzzles are also great for learning shapes. Understanding shapes helps children in many ways. It helps them with reading, writing, and problem solving later in school. Shapes also help children understand space and how objects fit together. This is very important for activities like drawing, building, and even sports. Do not worry if your child mixes up shapes at first. That is normal. Keep practicing and repeating the names in a friendly way. With time, they will become more confident. The fourth math concept your child must know before kindergarten is comparing sizes and amounts. This means understanding ideas like big and small, more and less, tall and short, heavy and light. These ideas help children understand how things relate to each other. You can teach this concept during daily activities. For example, when eating, you can say, "This apple is bigger than that one." When playing with toys, you can ask, "Which car is longer?" When sharing snacks, you can talk about who has more or fewer pieces. Children do not need to know exact measurements at this age. They just need to understand basic comparisons. This helps them develop thinking skills and prepares them for math problems in school. You can also use simple questions to help your child think. Ask, "Which cup has more water?" or "Which box is heavier?" Let them guess and then check together. This makes learning interactive and fun. Comparing also helps children learn fairness and sharing. When they understand more and less, they can better understand taking turns and dividing things equally. These are important social skills as well. The fifth math concept your child must know before kindergarten is patterns. Patterns are things that repeat in a certain order. For example, red, blue is a simple pattern. Patterns help children learn logic and prediction. You can find patterns everywhere. Look at clothes, tiles on the floor, or even music. You can clap your hands in a pattern, like clap, clap, pause, clap, clap, pause. Ask your child to repeat it. You can also use toys or colors to make patterns together. Start with very simple patterns. Once your child understands them, you can make them a little more complex. For example, red, blue, green, red, blue, green. Ask your child what comes next. This helps them think and solve problems. Learning patterns is very important because it helps children understand how things work. Patterns are the base of math, reading, and even science. When children understand patterns, they are better prepared for learning letters, numbers, and problem solving. It is okay if your child does not get patterns right away. Be patient and encourage them. Celebrate small successes and keep practicing. Now let's talk about why these 5 math concepts are so important. Kindergarten is a big change for children. They are learning new rules, meeting new people, and trying new things. If they already understand basic math ideas, they feel more confident and relaxed. This makes learning easier and more enjoyable. These math concepts also help children develop important life skills. They learn how to think, how to solve problems, and how to understand the world around them. Math is not just about numbers. It is about thinking clearly and making sense of things. Parents often worry that they are not doing enough to prepare their child for school. The truth is, simple daily activities are often the best teachers. Talking, playing, counting, and exploring together can make a big difference. Remember, every child is different. Some children learn quickly, and some need more time. That is completely okay. The most important thing is to support your child and encourage their curiosity. When learning feels fun and safe, children naturally want to learn more. You do not need expensive toys or special programs. Use what you already have at home. Use real-life moments as learning opportunities. The more relaxed and positive you are, the more your child will enjoy learning. As we come to the end of this video, let's quickly remember the 5 math concepts your child must know before kindergarten. Number recognition helps them know what numbers look like. Counting helps them understand how many things there are. Shapes help them recognize and understand the world around them. Comparing sizes and amounts helps them see differences in relationships. Patterns help them think logically and predict what comes next. If your child is learning these things, they're on a great path. Even if they are still learning, that is perfectly fine. Keep practicing, keep playing, and keep encouraging them. If you found it helpful, please like and share it with other parents. Learning together makes everything better. See you in the next video, and happy learning for you and your child. Thank you so much for watching this video.